really nice. Start down here.
Hey.
Yeah, this hot right there.
Had Intimidator on it.
That's nice. Huh?
What are the other two for?
I don't know.
This is Chevy.
That's nice.
I've seen that Chevy before. I didn't see Chevy, but yeah, the dragon one.
Hey, it's Randy from My Southern Entertainment down at Pickens, South Carolina 80s car show. Let's go take a look. There's a little country store down. Yeah. I like Pickens. That's nice. Look at this stuff.
Yeah. The old airplane one is rare.
See that airplane right there?
Yeah.
My old boss. You know how hard it is to find those? They're one piece because they crack in half. So these things are hard to find.
Airplane.
Yeah.
Why is the airplane so expensive?
It's just hard to find. They're hard to find M1. Can't find those anymore. They're usually broken in half. Look at this thing, Ty.
I know some crazy guy tear my stuff up. I'm going somewhere else.
See, I can't be in small things, but like,
It's open.
especially for me.
That's nice.
Yeah, the red. Yeah,
That's really small, huh? I like that.
Let's check your type of vehicle.
Okay.
Your type. Rio.
G28.
I like this one.
Yeah, it's nice.
That's a nice one.
Yeah,
It's a new favorite. Look who it is.
it's Bumblebee, Ty.
South B.
It's B.
No,
You haven't been all the way around yet?
no. Why not? Let's go. We're already here. Go there.
Yeah,
Nice. Yeah, it's a nice bike. Yeah.
I got found my favorite.
Yeah. Yeah, look, Ty, he's got the Crush orange drink hat. See it?
Where?
It's on the near the steering wheel. See the Crush hat?
Oh yeah. Bet you the stage brings Fanta.
It's the guy sitting on the car. It says.
Yeah, I bet you drinks Fanta. That's cool. Cause he transformed. He put red on himself for me.
Huh?
5.4? I
No,
never.
me either. That might be how we call it.
It's a notchback. I've never seen 5.4.
I know, sorry.
What's the problem? How's it going, man?
Good, how you doing?
Good.
It's a nice car.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
What's that, 5.4?
It's a 331, so it's a stock 302 block, but it's been bored and stroked to a 331.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Yeah,
It's like I've never seen that.
Yeah, it's a common stroker build for early model 5.0 and stuff, you can go to a 347, which is like a 5.7 liter.
Right.
A lot of people go 347 because it's a bigger engine overall, and they're like, oh yeah, it gives you more power. But the 331 revs faster, and it revs higher than the 347. So I built the 331 instead.
You can't lose with that motor. It sounds so good.
It's a good motor. I mean, for a stock block and for what I've shoved through it, it was a turbo car before it was supercharged, and for what I've done with it, it's
nice.
It's impressive. I'm pretty happy with it.
Yeah.
It makes about 640 crank.
Oh wow.
So
that's pretty good.
Car.
Yeah, it is.
Pretty strong car.
Yeah.
So.
It's nice, really nice.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Do you go to any other car shows or?
Yeah, I do heating and air,
Okay.
and I'm a service manager for a Complete Heat and Air here in town. But it's one of those things that in the summertime I'll try to hit as much as I can, cruising and stuff like that. But we get so busy.
Oh
sometimes,
yeah,
it's like,
I hear you.
I mean, even today I'm fixing to send a service tech out on a call I just got off of, but it's one of those things that I try to go as many as I can.
Right.
But I love to just drive it. I mean, it's a driver car. I mean, it's not
like a tracker.
Show queen.
Yeah.
I take it to the track.
Yeah.
I beat on it. You know.
Yeah.
It's just. I'd rather have that than something sitting in my garage.
Exactly.
You know?
Exactly.
These cars that do that are beautiful, but it's just I'd rather drive.
You'd rather drive. That's the whole thing.
And I mean, I drive it in the rain. I don't drive it in the rain.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter to me.
Yeah, exactly.
You know,
I used to have
traction. I drive it in the snow. Probably. I tried at least.
Oh yeah.
It doesn't get any traction at that point. So.
Yep. Exactly.
It's just a lot of fun, and I built it to drive it rather than.
Yeah.
You know,
exactly.
Yeah,
exactly. That's what you want.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I had somebody ask me, like, well, what if you own like a Shelby Cobra, like a real one? Like from the 60s. I said, I'd drive the crap out of it. They're like, are you joking?
Heck
I'm like,
yeah.
why? What am I going to do with it? If I die, it's going to sit in my garage and someone else is going to come grab it.
Right.
I said, no, I want to drive it.
Yeah. That's the good thing about, like, you know, living down, like I came up from Massachusetts, and you can't
like
touch
5 months
that's
up
it
there.
not even like they had nice cars, but like the guy, my next door neighbor, used to take it out like, oh, it's beautiful out, and it's like, yeah, we got like 3 days of that. Right. And then it snows. And you can't do it. Down here it's perfect. You can drive this all day. It's awesome.
You can drive it into December. And
I'm gonna walk down here first. I could tell he was working. He's the manager, so he's sending technicians out. This is nice. I like the color on this one. Because we go to a bunch of car shows, I never saw that Mustang.
Look at that. He's doing a wheelie.
Oh yeah. Look at this car today. Old Chevy. Look at that engine. Nice. Wow, huh? That's a hard engine to work on. There's nothing in it. It's so wide open. I know, it's so wide open.
This is your type of car.
Oh yeah. Look at this.
This is your type of car, Dad. Car.
You can work on this so easy. Yeah, this is easy. That's what I want. I want one of these trucks. I want to get one of these. Yeah, that's what I want. I want to get one of these today. Nice pickup truck. Nice little.
Cool.
Yeah.
Maybe put some parts in the back for the fixer-upper car or something.
Yeah. I don't know. Because there's two of them.
Right.
Hey, look at this first. I'm not on that side, man. Not on that side.
That's nice.
What's this thing?
Like it sounds.
So.
Hey, look. From South Carolina used to have inspection stickers.
Oh, wow. 96.
Yeah.
Wow.
You know this thing's old and rusty.
It's in good shape though.
It is.
These relics.
Oh wow.
He's just like, you can see inside too.
I know. Oh, I like that baby doll back there.
Look at these globes.
Oh, awesome. Look at all those. Those look pretty cool.
Antiques. Where the heck did they get these from?
Look at this old Texaco gas station. How's the office look? Nothing really.
They got some old boards.
Hmm.
NASCAR. This is something from NASCAR days.
Yep. It's kind of, the red one reminds me of Mai Tai.
The black bumper.
Yeah.
But the front of Knight Rider.
Yeah, that's kind of the one I have.
But yours was more like this.
Yeah, mine was 5-speed. Yeah, mine was more like this.
Kids like this. Look. Look at the front.
Yeah,
I know.
this is the one Daddy has.
Yeah, but mine was 5-speed. This is automatic.
Oh, it is on
Same thing inside. This.
Oh yeah.
Put some red skaters on this thing.
Yeah, this is a little bit older. This is probably like
Knight
early.
Rider days.
No, it's like, yeah, it's like early 80s. This is like late 80s.
This is Knight Rider. Almost. Friend.
It says it right here actually. Does it say the date on it? The year on it? Yeah, 87. This is 87. That one doesn't have a tag on it. Yeah, I know. There's a small car too.
Claustrophobic.
It's.
Oh, so hold it.
I had the car in fourth. I don't really drive.
Oh, so we go to the car and coffee shop.
Yeah.
My brother Anthony's friend had that one right there.
See, they have a, what do you call it down there? Like a half shell. Say.
Oh yeah.
There's a white car on the top of it.
Grab the car. Look right there.
SS.
I didn't know this exists.
Remember what went to the one in England?
I didn't know this.
Yeah, that's the one I want. When we had the Sunfire, we were at the dealership. We could have got one of these cars or a Sunfire, but we didn't want to get one of these because we're looking for something to drive every day. Remember that?
You should get Sally because she got.
I sat in one though to start it up and drive it for a while.
You got Sally because you know about Sally's history.
No, not really. I just needed the car.
Because when I heard Sally crash, I felt bad.
How's the thing still? 25,000 for this car. I know what it is now.
Yeah.
I had this car in Forza. Yeah, I'll show you when we get home, okay?
Z28. That. Z28. Yeah. Old school Camaro here, 70s. There's a newer Z28. I wasn't a fan of this one. This 28.
A modern version of Studebaker.
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard about these. They made modern versions of these cars. Some companies made modern versions.
It's an AMX.
Yeah, never heard of those cars.
Javelin.
Yeah, never heard of them. Like the old NASCAR.
Yeah. The straight. So, 1, 2,
Yeah,
3.
and used for moonshining. I think these type of cars were used for moonshining and NASCAR.
That's a straight 6. Straight 6.
I wonder if any straight six that was in NASCAR back in the day.
Probably, Ty.
What they?
Probably.
Look at this.
She thought there was a guy back here.
No, it's a man.
Huh? Nice. 91.
Audio Jungle.